By installing these universal wiper nozzles. What happened is when the guy installed the motor on his car here, they obviously never got replaced but taken out. So here's just one I was just doing a test fit. First off, I'm gonna remove this insulator. Just need better access, just enough to get my hands back here so I can screw these in. They're gonna have like, let me see. They're going, oh, damn it. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna, once I get these nozzles installed from the top up here, I'm gonna come in the back, take one of these little screws here, or these nuts, and retain that. Retain in place. You know what? I already ran into problems. It's not as easily accessed as I thought. Let's get this insulator off. All right, the route I took getting these universal nozzles in here, I drilled a hole at the bottom. So what I did, I had a pilot hole, the smaller bit. I'll get the number shortly, but let's see if I can get this. Basically, I put a pilot hole through there first with the smaller bit. It was not this bit. Went through there, came back around with the larger bit, and enhanced the size. So the reason I did that was because when I go to put the line in there, I can slide the line through the bottom after I get the nozzle in there. So once I get the nozzle in, slide the line through the nipple, and then pull the remaining line through the hole and drag it out from the side right here. So I'll show you with this one. Right, so I'm gonna use these scissors here that lock in place to hold this nut, like so. So I'm gonna slide it through here, this little hole. Same time, search for the hole and start turning it so it'll tighten up. So let's do that. So I'm latched on now. I'm just gonna turn it till it straighten up. Got it lined up. Take my old existing line here. See, it breaks off from there, so I'm gonna separate it and slide it through the bottom here. All right, feed it up. Now it bends just enough to where it's not kinking the line, so with the fluid should flow fairly decent. Reinstall the existing line, and I can route it just like factory. So I don't know if that went there or not, but I'll get it lined up. Let me get this linked up, this line neat, and I'll figure out what I want to do from there. Likely I'll just probably put some zip ties. Nobody's gonna see that. whole, cut this off and get this insulator back on. So as long as it's just not in the way, it's pretty relaxed, I think we'll be fine. All right, got everything put back together. Despite cutting a hole into the hood, I mean, it doesn't look abnormal. It doesn't look, anything out of place. Same size as the holes for fasteners. It's fine if I make a mess. It's not motor oil. All right, let's test everything and see if it works. Let's try them out. One. Ooh. Man, you can adjust these. The head of them. They're like a flat head, so if I understand, you can adjust the nozzle to where it will spray differently. I might see if I can angle them up a little bit more. Probably might need 2 hands. See how that works. I need to go up. I'll get it right, but you get the idea. But these work. It's fixed. Customer now can go to the beach, and because of so much salt, get the salt off our windshield.